In this video, I'm going to show you how to change board cover on Pinterest. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Pinterest application and then right here tap at your profile icon. Now I'm on my profile. Here I got some boards and let's say I want to change a board cover for that board. All I have to do is just hold down my finger on that board. It gives me that 4 extra options, and now all I have to do is just move my finger to that pencil icon. It moves me to edit board option, and here at the very top I can tap at that big plus sign to add a new cover to my board. I can select any image that are in that board already. Let's say I want to use that one. I can just tap on that, and now I can select the exact frame, so I can actually crop that image to that square frame in that way, and then I can just hit done to set this image as my new board cover. Then I can tap on done. There, as you can see, new board cover has just been set. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.